You know, there's not very many special parts of the world left if we're not careful. Truly, we have pristine natural beauty that should be shared, preserved, and developed in a way that's very sensitive to the indigenous Native Alaskan community, as well as, those that we want to share it with from all over the world.
Hello from my back porch in Alaska. This is James of Vimnuma Media, cordially inviting you to the virtual premiere of our documentary film, Small Footprints. While this is not quite the premiere that we've been dreaming of, we are still so excited to be included in a lineup of 4 environmentally themed films being shown on Sunday, March 28th. This is a free event put on by Wild Sound Film Festival, and it can be streamed through the Vimeo website or the Vimeo Smart TV app, which we highly recommend that way because it's on the big screen and it will give you a better idea of what the movie actually looks like. The documentary itself is about a sustainable construction project that took place in 2008 in the Kenai Fjords of Alaska. The goal was to construct an eco-lodge on Native Alaskan land and to do so without damaging the environment. If you're interested in tuning in, please RSVP to our Facebook event or to our email because we will not get the link for this festival until the day before it happens. On the Facebook event, we will be posting movie posters, trailers, photos, all sorts of good stuff. The day before the event, we will be posting the link to where you can stream the festival. In the age of COVID, film festivals are changing quite a bit, so we're just happy to have this opportunity and happy to be able to share it with you for free. So RSVP to the Facebook event if you're interested, or give us an email. I hope to not see you there.